Welcome back to Zeno Page Builder. Today we are going to learn how to use the product inventory countdown element. The product inventory countdown element is a mini element which shows a countdown for the inventory remaining of a product on the page. In order to use the product inventory countdown element, we first need to insert a product element into the page. By default, the product element has some mini elements inside: a product image, product title, product price, and product card button. Let me insert a product inventory countdown element into the product. Select the product to show, and it looks like this. Let's walk through the options the product inventory countdown element has to offer. First, we have product option that we can select the product to show. Then we can select the inventory source. By default, the element will take product data from Shopify admin. But if you want to manually set the inventory, you can click on Manual and type the number of products remaining. Then we can adjust the message. The text between the markup is highlighted. And you can use this syntax to display the number of products remaining. Then you can set a fallback message which shows up when the product is out of stock or the quantity is undefined. We can then adjust the progress bar. We can enable or disable effect. And the remaining percent, by default it is 20, but let me change it to 50. And you see. Then the height of the progress bar, let me change it to 24. The progress color, let me change to blue. And the background color, we can adjust the font size, the text color, and font weight to normal, to bold, or to light. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on mastering Zeno Page Builder.